You know, life can be messy and complicated and cluttered with things that don't really matter. Let me show you something that I work on every year that might help you out. You know, it's that time of year where there are certain books that I reread every year. I reread or listen to them, and they are The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo, Spark Joy, another one called Essentialism by Greg McKeown. Those three, I either read or I listen to them again every year because they remind me to go for the things that spark joy in me, to get rid of all the extra clutter, get rid of all the extra things that we don't need. And those three things actually help kind of guide me for at the beginning of the year for what can I get rid of. And I'll think about it throughout the year, and I'll get rid of more stuff and just trying to declutter and get rid of things. Now, one of those called Spark Joy. Now, it's not just about getting rid of things and not having them anymore. It's about keeping the things that spark joy in you. I don't know if you ever noticed, but like right back here, I've got this Faculty of the Month. Now, this Faculty of the Month, it sparks joy in me. If you look at it, it's from 2017. 2017, I received Faculty of the Month, and it sparks joy in me because I was told as I got it that congratulations, great job, you're Faculty of the Month. Just so you know, we go through a rotation on these things, so you won't be Faculty of the Month for a while until other people go through it. At first, I thought, I'm like, so am I the Faculty of the Month, or is it just my turn? And then the more I thought about it, the more joy it sparked in me. So I keep that one. I keep that one up there from 2017 when it was my turn to be Faculty of the Month. You know, I find that as I go through and I de-junk areas and I get rid of things, I enjoy the feeling that feels when I have a clean house or when I have a clean office and I have things put away, and the things that I do that I've kept are things that I need, or they're things that spark joy, it's things that I enjoy to have. And I find I feel so much better that way. One of the things that I found that really helps is also decluttering Canvas. If I take my Canvas courses and I get rid of all the things that don't really matter, I get rid of all the extra stuff, and I have it very simple and easy for the kids to use, I find that they are more productive and they get the stuff done that they need to get done because we have all that extra clutter out of there. Let me show you a couple ways to do that on Canvas. So let's pull up Canvas real quick. This is one of my Canvas instances. When it comes up, I have the home page set as modules right now. Later on that might change, but I only keep a few things that are available for the kids to navigate to. So let's go into the side over here. We can see that I've got home, modules, files, and assignments, but the rest of these are all turned off where they can't get to them. And let me show you how you're going to adjust that. We're going to go down here to Settings. I'm going to click on Settings, and then across the top we're going to go, so there's the course details, but we're going to go to Navigation. With Navigation, anything that's above this item up here, they can see. So if I want them to see quizzes, I just drag that up there, and quizzes then would then be shown. Now, then at the bottom I'm going to have to hit Save. But I want everything out of there with the exceptions of the things that I really want them to have. So Home, Modules, Files, I need them to get into Files, and then Assignments. Everything else I have kind of put away for now. And I can always pull those out later if I decide I need to have them, or I could do links to them where they don't need to have it over on the side. Let's go into, let me just hit Save. Let's go over here at the top, and we're going to go into Student View. This is what the students see. It looks like this. So now all they have are these right here, Home, Modules, Files, and Assignments. And so they can go into the assignments and see what we did on those on the days, and I have them done by days, and then I have it so it unlocks at certain times, but I have it so it's simplified. So as they get into it, they go, welcome to class, and then this is where my goal, this is what I want them to do. But then they can go next, and they can come up to the next thing. Okay, and then this is their first little assignment. I want them to make sure that they know how to upload into Canvas. And next. Anyway, I have it all simplified out for them, so that way it's easy for them to get to it. They can see what's coming up that day. and I've decluttered it for them, because if I had discussions and quizzes and all the other things that could be left on there, if I had all those things up there on the side, they're going to get confused, because not only do they have my class, but they also have all the other classes as well. So it could be another 7 classes besides mine. And so just by simplifying it, it makes things decluttered for them and easier for them to use. Well, I figure what's good for the goose is good for the gander. So things are good for us, will be good for our kids too. Let me just go over those books again real quick. The 3 books that I listen to or I read every year at the beginning is by Marie Kondo, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, Spark Joy, and then the other one is called Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less by Mark McEwen. I'll put the links in the description so that way you can get to them if you want to get them on Amazon. We also have them available on Sora, Overdrive, and in the library. So if you want to come and get them, they'll be available for you. I hope that it helps you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And again, as always, thanks for watching.